Okay fellas, just making and ladies, quick video how to do these lights in the rear if you need to change any of them, and if your car isn't salvaged and gooped up like somebody did here. It's pretty simple. You got this little pointer, sticks in here, and I think there's supposed to be like maybe a little tab here that holds it in. But also you have to pop this cover off right here. Use a Phillips screwdriver. Comes up through this hole and it's supposed to be held in with this screw right here. And then it should come right out. You know, so long as somebody hasn't gooped the heck out of your salvage car that you just bought. But that is how you get to these lights. Pop the cover, remove the screw, and then just pop it out from I believe this end, and then because this goes down into here, so pop this end out and pull it out this way, and then you can change any of these lights. This is the one I was after, which is the reverse fog light, the rear fog light. Then you have your reverse light and some other tail light, maybe a brake light, I think it's just tail lights and a marker light, and then the reverse light, and then the rear fog right here. That's it, easy peasy.